The Polk Audio RC85i in-wall speakers provide exceptional sound quality, making them a great choice for enhancing audio in any room without occupying floor or shelf space. Installation is straightforward and mess-free, requiring just a few simple steps to secure the speakers in place, ensuring a neat and professional finish. These speakers are designed with moisture-resistant materials, allowing them to be safely used in damp areas such as bathrooms and kitchens, as well as outdoor covered spaces. Featuring an 8-inch dynamic balance woofer and a 1-inch swivel-mounted tweeter, the RC85i delivers detailed and well-balanced sound with excellent clarity. The paintable grills enable seamless integration into any room decor, making the speakers practically invisible once installed. Polk Audio's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in the RC85i, offering a reliable and immersive audio experience for both music and home theater applications.